Welcome back to the Tinkerage. Another tip for you today. I'm getting to the point in the reorganisation of the Tinkerage where I'm starting to think about where to put things. If you have a number of walls or boards where you want to organise your tools, for example, I have this board here and space in here, and I need to decide how best to organise the tools. Here's a tip for you. If you mark out on a flat surface, here I'm using our patio table, the dimensions of each board, and as you can see I've numbered them. You can then lay out your tools as you might wish. You can also, if you want, decide, well, if I want something standing up, then just find something to support them. You could even make your holders, and you can see how best to fit things in. So, good way of organising your space. Mark it out on something. Could be on a table, could be on the floor, could be on some cardboard. Whatever's going to work for you, but it might make it easier to determine where you're going to put things. So if you're reorganising your workspace, think about marking out with tape, painter's tape, masking tape, gaffer tape, or just a ruler and pencil. Do it on cardboard, do it on some plywood, a patio table, your dining room floor, your workshop floor if your workshop is big enough. But mark it out, then you can knoll all your tools, decide where you want to have things. You can make your mounts. If you're using maybe even a French cleat system, you can actually make your tool mounts and rearrange them. If you have any good ideas about how else you can organise your tools, then please do put them down in the comments. If you've liked this video, then please do click a like. Do check out other tips videos. There is a playlist. And please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye for now.